Success is not luck. It's a decision executed daily. I am Renzi Barreto and this is my story. Working for more than 15 years, I followed yung footsteps and system na naituro sa akin. Yung laging busy, mukhang productive, pero wala akong savings, wala akong sariling sasakyan, walang sariling bahay, walang naipupundar. It's just a cycle. Gising sa umaga, trabaho, uwi. Then, repeat. Pagod ka, pero hindi ka umaangat. I was trapped. And that's the hardest part. Yung sobrang sipag mo, pero hindi ka umuusad. I had a family to support and dreams na lagi kong pinopostpone. And deep inside my heart, alam ko hindi yun yung buhay na gusto. But like most employees, I stayed. Kasi ang alam ko, secured ako. Until one moment changed everything. And habang nasa ospital ako, na-realize ko na kapag pala tumigil ako sa trabaho, tigil din yung income ko. And dun ko na-realize na wala pa pala talaga akong securities. Then may isang opportunity na introduce sa akin. Si Royal. At first hindi ako naniwala. Pero hindi ko ma-ignore yung mga results na nakikita ko. People were earning. May mga cheque sila, may mga sasakyan, nakakapag-travel, may mga bahay. Meron silang sistema at merong direksyon. So I made up my decision. Hindi lang basta mag-try, but I commit. 2012, I started part-time. And in just 2 years' time, kinita ko ng mas mabilis yung resulta at trabaho ko ng 15 years. That's why 2015, I resigned. Hindi siya naging madali. May takot din ako, may duda din ako. But I prayed and stayed on track. Through Royal and my team, and sa guidance ng mga mentors ko, I was able to reach my goals na akala ko dati, imposible. If you're an employee right now, masipag ka, matyaga ka, kailangan mo lang din ng tamang sistema. Kayang-kaya mo rin.